It is so frustrating to receive an error notification in your Google Merchant Center called product page unavailable. And at the end of this short video, you know exactly how to resolve this error and what to do best in your situation. Without further ado, let's dive right into my screen so I can show you the example. Alright, so here we are in a brand new Merchant Center account that is currently under review for just the 93 products. As you can see, one product is not approved, and as of yesterday there was a big outrage in the Shopify service, so there was a product page unavailability. So as soon as you go in the left menu here on products, and then in the need attention tab, we don't see any notifications because it's on product level, this error. So we go back to the products, we scroll down a little bit, and there we see that one product out of the 93 is not approved. So we click on it. And then when we go to the tab here, needs attention, we click on it, we see that the pending initial review is still there. And as soon as we open the product page unavailable right here, we can actually see that the error is available for this product. And that has something to do with the outrage of the Shopify service, because Google Merchant Center, as soon as you onboarded your Shopify store, they're going to crawl all the pages on your website, such as the product pages. And as soon as the product page is unavailable due to too many traffic from Google at the same time, or due to the Shopify service or WooCommerce service that are not available, you receive this notification. Actually, it's not really a suspension, it's more of an error notification. And to fact check, we can open this URL here as well. So you can see that actually all is working here. So when we go back to the Merchant Center, there are actually two situations. The partner that we have here in this Merchant Center account is brand new to Merchant Center. And usually the error notification product page is unavailable will resolve itself after 24 to 48 hours. And in the stage that all your products are in review, I would actually highly recommend to not request the website check here, because as I said, this error will resolve itself between 24 and 48 hours. But if you are actively scaling on Google Ads right now, and this is one product you got results in terms of orders and revenue from, I would highly recommend to click the button request website check, because then Google is manually checking, or first automatic check of course, and then manually checking if the error is still there. But usually it's fixed within like 2 to 3 hours. So if you're active on Google Ads right now, successfully scaling the product, for example, that I just showed, it's essential to click the button. But if your situation in Merchant Center is that your products are still in review, I would highly recommend not to touch this button and let Google Merchant Center automatically crawl after 24 to 48 hours the new product page and resolve this error automatically, because they're going to recheck your website and products every 24 hours anyways. So it will take 1 or 2 tries to resolve this error automatically. So now that you know exactly how to resolve the product page unavailable, it's essential to act as soon as possible to resolve this error and get back on track with your Google Ads. If you need any help regarding Merchant Center or Google Ads, make sure to click the first link in the description to book a personal call with me to see if we can successfully launch and scale your ads in the most profitable way. And after watching this video, make sure to watch my recommendation video after, because there I'm diving deeper into the things you need to implement to keep your Merchant Center safe from any further restrictions. Make sure to check that one out, and I see you there.